we will learn about the circulatory system. So, the circulatory system. At first we need to know what is circulatory system. The organ system that transfer different substances within our body is called the circulatory system. It removes waste materials from the body and supplies oxygen to different parts of the body. There are three parts of the circulatory system: the heart, the blood vessels, and the blood. So we will learn about what is heart. It is a muscular organ whose size is about of our fist. It is located a little to the left of the middle of our chest. It is protected by the ribcage. Then we will learn about the blood. It is a red color liquid that circulates throughout our body. It carries oxygen, nutrients, and waste material from one organ to another. Then we will learn about the blood vessels. They are thin tube-like structures spread throughout our body. They form a network like tubules in our body. They are of three types: arteries, veins, and capillaries. Then we will learn more about the heart. It is a pear-shaped organ consisting of four chambers: the two upper chambers and the two lower chambers. The two upper chambers are called the left atrium and the right atrium. The lower chambers are called the left ventricle and the right ventricle. The atria are the chambers that receive the blood coming to the heart from the rest of the body. The two lower chambers are called the ventricle. The heart has a left ventricle and a right ventricle. They send blood to the body and the lungs. The atria and the ventricles work like a team. The atria get filled with blood and then send it into the ventricles. The ventricles then squeeze and pump the blood. The blood out of the heart while the ventricles contract, meaning decrease in size the atria refill with the blood from different parts of the body and get ready for the next contraction. The heart works like a pump to keep the blood continuously flowing throughout the body. throughout the body with the help of the blood vessels. The rhythmic pumping of the blood by the heart is called the heartbeat. Doctors use an instrument called stethoscope to listen to our heartbeats. When we place fingers on our left wrist, we feel a light pumping movement called the pulse. For an adult human being, the pulse rate may vary from 60 to 100 beats per minute. Then we will learn about blood. It flows inside our body through a network of blood vessels. Now I will tell about some functions of the blood vessels. 1. It carries oxygen from the lungs to the different parts of our body. It also collects carbon dioxide from our body and takes it back to our lungs. Then, after the process of digestion, blood carries nutrients absorbed from the food in the intestines to other parts of our body. Number 3, it also absorbs waste materials inside our body and takes it to the excretory system. Number 4, blood helps in maintaining the temperature of our body. Then some of the components present in our body in our blood protect the body from disease causing germs. Then we will learn about blood vessels. They are tube-like structures spread throughout our body. They carry blood to different organs of our body. They are of 3 types: arteries, veins, and capillaries. Together, they are called blood vessels. The largest artery in our body is called the aorta. It is the main artery of the heart. Another important artery of our body is the carotid artery. the largest vein the two important vein of our body are the superior and the inferior vena cava. The superior vena cava fetches blood from the lower portion of our body, and the inferior vena cava is the superior vena cava fetches blood from the upper portion of our body. And our lesson is over.